how to make a logo in 60 seconds. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can make your very own logo in just less than a minute. So let's get started. So I'm on this website called tailorbrands.com, and this is a pretty amazing website to launch your business. So at the top, you have a bunch of options and you will see the option logo maker. Just simply click on the option and it's going to take you over here where you just simply have to enter in your name and create a logo. So just enter in your name and then just simply enter in a tagline and then just simply click on design. And then just simply answer a bunch of questions like what are you offering, or you can just go ahead and skip this question if you want, and then enter in your industry. And then down below, enter in a little bit of detail about your company and you're good to go. And then just simply click on next and then pick a type of logo you want. So it can be an icon logo or a name-based logo. It doesn't matter. So let's go ahead and click on icon-based logo. And then you can have like a geometric shape so that you can pick yourself a logo, or you can search for a symbol that reflects your brand. Let's go ahead and pick a symbol. And over here, you have a bunch of different symbols that you can pick. I'm going to choose the circle. And I'm going to choose this one, this one, this one, and this one, and click on next. And now you have your style. Over here, you just select the style of your fonts. So let's go with retro, let's go with classy and rounded, and click on next. And then over here, wait for a couple of seconds. It's going to design your logo, your business cards, and planning your social media posts. And then boom, you have yourself a logo. Next, all you have to do is just simply sign up for free to see your logo options. And then over here on the left side, you have a bunch of different logos that you can choose from and you're good to go. So that is how you create a logo in less than a minute. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.